Hi. I am going to do the quickest little summer hack with my Seint makeup. Just showing you guys a nice light coverage. I'm up north at the cabin, so either makeup free or something pretty light if we're going out and about, and just keeping it super simple, all in one compact. So I have farting slime going on in the back, so who knows what you guys are going to hear here, but I'm just going to show you as I travel, as we pack the whole car full of everything, that I can literally just pack my one compact. I don't have to have that whole massive bag full of makeup, which is nice. So right now I'm doing contour. If you've never done contour, this is it. It is not hard. Literally popping it on with my finger and brighten things up a little bit. Center out my face. We are playing outside, doing a lot of lake time, really just hanging out, which is amazing. If you're from the Midwest, it is amazing just to be on the water and enjoy the warm weather while we have it. So, okay, look at that. Foundation, concealer, contour. I've done it all. I am going to take what I love is my blush and bronzer brush to blend my creams, especially when I want a more light coverage.
We're going back to the loft.
Oh, we got a dog. We got someone going in the loft. It's usually what happens here.
I am.
Okay, look at, I am going through my light colors, going into my dark. I'm not doing anything fancy here. I'm just blending. We have people kind of coming in and out for the next couple weeks to visit up at our cabin, which is going to be fun. There's been some bear sightings up here. Kids don't really know, but mom's a little bit like looking everywhere when I'm outside. Just make sure one doesn't creep up on us while we're playing, so that's always fun. Okay, look at that, you guys. This is a mom's dream. Look how super simple. I'm going to take a super subtle lip and cheek color today. I'm going to use Tropicana, and I am literally just dabbing that on my cheeks. Hopefully I get a little more sun. Got a dog literally laying on my foot. Okay. Okay. That is it, you guys. How super simple. Could you ask for more to make mom life any more easy? To be able to just blend your freaking makeup, dot it with your finger, grab a brush, and that is it, and still look like yourself. It is seriously so easy. I can color match you. All you need to do is send me a makeup-free selfie directly facing a window inside. No outdoor selfies or car selfies. I just want to get you the perfect match so that your face matches your neck. So comment below if you want to be matched. Message me. I would love to match you and help get you started. I can help you build your palette. Keep it super simple. You could start small, do a little 410. That's all you need. Literally, it's life changing to be able to like your makeup, do it quick, not have it be a big freaking mess everywhere. So message me. I can't wait to help you. Enjoy whatever your plans are for the week.